Kaspa 2023 versus early Bitcoin 2010. Caspians, we're about to dive into it like we always do in these videos. If you're interested, please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, share the video with your friends and family, and watch the video until the end, because this is gonna be very shocking, man. This is from Jim Skibum. Are there any similarities in price action? Yes, actually, very clear similarities here between Cas and Bitcoin. Let's take a look. If you want to check out the full thing, go to Jim Skibum's page on X.
So what's really interesting about the early Bitcoin chart, we have the 2010 Bitcoin chart right here when it started trading, the earliest data available on TradingView, is that it came up into what became this ascending channel and
constant uptrend as the years went by.
The all-time high at $30, and as it moved up in this channel, it remained above the 20 and 21 week SMA and EMA, the green and red lines, moving averages here.
Stayed above the moving averages.
Bouncing. And
interesting stuff. Now let's take a look at Kaspa. Oh, Kaspa's doing the same thing. Guys, I'm telling you.
What do we have here? Very interesting that Kaspa currently finds itself after trading from the beginning here, early June 2022, first centralized exchange listings. It comes up into this ascending channel and tests its 20 and 21 week SMA and EMA, also known as the bull market support band, because they generally hold as support in a bull market or a bull trend, because Kaspa is in its own bull market. The wider crypto market is not, for the most part.
And that is facts right there. That's why I keep saying on the channel that Cas is a unicorn, right? Throughout the whole bear market last year, the worst market conditions ever, Kaspa just went on to make new all-time highs constantly. All-time high after all-time high. Even when Bitcoin was retracing recently, Kaspa just made its new all-time high, and right now it is breaking out once again. And just like the Bitcoin chart back here, where it stayed above the SMAs, as Jim Skibum has showed us, you could see Kaspa is staying above these SMAs in this uptrend, right? And a lot of traders in the space have this saying that the trend is your friend, right? Don't fight the trend. The trend is your friend. Shout out to Jim Skibum for the video. From CryptoGrad, brace for Kaspa's game-changing impact. Guided by visionary Jonathan Zabelinski, is rewriting crypto history. Jonathan's contributions to Ethereum's white paper are undeniable, and that is exactly why I think you should be bullish on Cas, guys. Why you should definitely have a bag, because Jonathan has, his roots, his documentation, his what do you want to, what is a good word? He has his fingers. He has his fingerprints. That's good. He has his fingerprints all throughout the Ethereum white paper, right? And if you check out my videos, you could go through and see the research of all my videos. Ghost, Spectre, and Phantom are all created by Jonathan and Aviv Zohar. And back then, those technologies at the time were like groundbreaking, and that's why they got implemented into Ethereum, Filecoin, Monero. We just recently made a video, and on Nervos Network, one of the team members of Nervos, before it went live, had constant discussions with Jonathan, and that's why you see Nervos being such, being the project that it is today, because of the discussions they had with Jonathan, right? And it's the same thing with Ethereum. In the white paper, you could even see Vitalik in videos mentioning Jonathan and his technology, right? And that is in my opinion, that's why you should be the most bullish on Caspa, right? The technology. And if Dagnite is aiming to be leagues above blockchain, right? And Ethereum on Ethereum they use Ghost Inspector, Phantom, old technology from Jonathan. Why not go with the newer technology in Dagnite, right? A decade in the making, Kaspa achieves BTC's original goal: fairness, speed, scalability, security, and decentralization. Cas, a BTC-like proof-of-work block DAG, conquers the trilemma sans layer 2. A top 10 rank by New Year is practically assured, and with Dagnite in 2024-2025, we set our heights on the top 5. Prepare for liftoff. The real moonshot begins when BTC awakens unexpectedly. And this is exactly, how it is, man. New technology will always replace the old technology, right? And again, Ethereum still has scaling issues, right? I can't even trade on ETH without getting hit hard with gas fees, man. It's so annoying, man. Like, people ain't made of money like that, right? So trading on ETH is such a dilemma, so why not go with the project that has solved the trilemma, right? Bars. Escander, Cas casually pumping over the weekend while the rest of alts and BTC bleed. Bull flag playing out. You can see right here Cas making that move up, which is very nice to see. Cas right now sitting at 39 cents. It was making that move up, but retracing it back down a bit. Nothing's wrong with that. From GoldenEye, Maldi, Kaspa stole off KDA's pump fuel. 50 thumbs up, 23 likes for that. Community always active in Kaspa. From Memiko, after the bull season, I would like to see the face of people who currently say that Cas is a scam project. 15 hearts, 10 thumbs up for that. And you can see XRP. This profile name is funny, man. XRP sucks too much. Same, gotta love it. Cas is gonna shot the crypto space, man. People that say it's a scam aren't doing their research, man. This is one of the best altcoins that have came out during this whole cycle, right? This is one of the best altcoins. Like, if you have an altcoin portfolio, you got projects like VRA. I know people are bullish on VRA, Telcoin. What other projects that people are bullish on from the last cycle? Trius, right? You got those projects, VRA, Telcoin, Trius, these type of projects that people, RSR, Seller, XDC, right? You have to have a bag of Cas in your portfolio. You just have to, man. Or you could be a Kaspa maxi as well. Nothing's wrong with that. But if you are hesitant on why you should get into Kaspa, just do your research, man. Cadillac, man, I was closed my ear to fudders and buying Kaspa. I'm just buying Kaspa because I know this baby will go to the moon. 10 thumbs up, 13 hearts for that. Cadillac, man, absolutely crushing it. Captain Sats, one of the most interesting papers ever written about Bitcoin blockchain design is accelerating Bitcoin's transaction processing by Sam Polinsky and Zohar, OG Bitcoiner / Rootstock sidechain founder in 2014. Their latest protocols on Cas are just as innovative, right? Because remember, these are their old technologies, right? Let me zoom in so you guys can see that. This is their old technology. Ghost, Spectre, Phantom. Those are old tech created by Sam Polinsky and Zohar. Dagnite is their newest inventions, and it goes beyond the innovation of these previous. This was like 10 years. This was like a decade ago, right? So look at what they've created now with Cas, man. And when things fully play out for Cas, like 32 BPS, 100 BPS smart contracts, it's no stopping the project, man. This was when 2014, right? Just around like almost 10 years ago, 2014. One of the most interesting papers ever written about Bitcoin blockchain design is accelerating Bitcoin's transactions processing by Sam Polinsky and Zohar, the founder of Cas, right? The paper presents Ghost Protocol. I'm telling you guys, Cas is one of those ones you just can't ignore. Genius decentralized investor, Cas doing Caspa things, lol beers, and the negative TA guys who do not understand fundamentals. Although it is their combined majority sentiment that allows this to blast up, so thanks to the beers and the donks. You see Cas made that move up right there. And from charts, Cas update, no changes so far. As mentioned previously, September 11th, 2023. Monday will be a critical day for Cas, a big chance to break resistance at 0.41 cent, or it will go down following the entire crypto sentiments right now about the crypto cycle currently in disbelief. So, September is typically bearish. I see, for example, there is this information about FTX liquidating, right? There was this recent info from about FTX and holdings that they're gonna liquidate, right? They can only sell up to $200 million a week, and I think they have like $600 to $800 million that they have to liquidate, right? So overall for the market, this is not gonna be good, right? So this just plays right in line with September being bearish, always a bearish month, right? So that could have an impact on Caspa's price, but honestly, Cas has always been in its own bull run, man. So I wouldn't be surprised if Cas is unaffected, right? But if it does get affected, you know, by the rest of the market going down, this because of this FTX situation, they have like a lot of assets, right? Sol, FTT, Bitcoin, ETH, Doge, etc. that they could dump on the markets, right? Think around, like I said, $600 million worth. So you could expect the market to retrace because of this, right? That could happen, but I think Cas is gonna hold very well even with this happening, and you know, we will keep an eye on it, right? So Caspians, thank y'all so much for tuning in. Please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, share the video with your friends and family, and I'll catch you in the next one.